In this video, I will show you how to boot VLC Media Player on a flash drive so you can run it anywhere without installing anything. This is perfect if you use public computers or just want a portable media player with you all the time. First, plug your flash drive into your computer and make sure it has enough free space. Now open your browser and search for VLC Portable version, making sure you download it from a trusted source, preferably the official VLC website or a well-known portable app site. Once the download is finished, you will usually get a zip file or a portable installer. If it's a zip file, right-click it and choose Extract. When asked where to extract the files, choose your flash drive. If it's a portable installer, run it and select your flash drive as an installation location. Wait for the files to finish copying to the flash drive. After that, open the flash drive and look for the VLC folder, and inside the folder, find the VLC executable file, usually called vlc.exe. Double-click it, and VLC Media Player should start normally. At this point, VLC is running directly from the flash drive, not installed on the computer. You can now copy your videos or music files to the same flash drive if you want, and VLC will play mostly any format, so you don't need extra codecs. If VLC doesn't start, make sure you're using a Windows computer since portable versions are system-specific, and also check that your flash drive isn't set to read-only. For better performance, use a USB 3 flash drive instead of an older one. When you're done, close VLC before removing the flash drive, and always safely eject the flash drive to avoid file corruption. Now you have VLC Media Player in your pocket, ready to use anywhere with no installation, no admin permissions, and no setup every time. This trick is simple but incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.